Hi everyone, my name is Naveed. Today we are going to discuss the some errors that occurs during installation of new project in Laravel or in existing project. The error is class zip archive not found. Why this error occurs and how to resolve this error. To resolve this error occurs because you have not uncommented the zip extension in new XAMPP, WAMP, MAMP. Uh, the zip extension comes with commented. You must have to uncomment that. Where is the file? The file name is php ini file or php config file. You can go to the XAMPP folder and find the php folder, or directly you can access from XAMPP or WAMP. Here you must have to stop it, Apache server. After that, click the config and then php ini file. Here, find the zip, Control F, find zip. Here, I have uncommented that you must have to, here there will be this semicolon. You must have to uncomment that and press Control S and again start the server. If you are not working on localhost and working on the hosting, then go to cpanel, then php, then php ini file. Now you will see when I will click, this will, and this will also work. It's taking time. It will work. Don't worry. It's working. This will also work. Here you can see it's working. Thank you very much, students. Bye bye.